Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be reviewing some hair from Julia Hair. So this is their Kinky Straight V-part wig. It is 24 inches long and it resembles natural hair in a blowout state. So the wig comes with 5 clips around the V-part, 2 combs on the sides, and 1 comb in the back. It also comes with an adjustable strap in the back to make the wig feel more secure. So a V-part is basically a lace closure wig with a cutout for your leave out. It helps to give a very flat install and it doesn't require a lot of leave out and there's really no tracks exposed. As you can see, the front of the wig is lace, which helps the wig to lay very flat for your install and to help create a very seamless look. So along with the wig, I received some accessories including a wig cap, a scarf, and some lashes. So here's a close-up of the hair. I've already washed, conditioned, and blow-dried the hair. As you can see, the hair has a very natural texture similar to natural hair. So I have my hair braided, and as you can see, I have only this small section for my leave out. So here you're just going to see me installing the wig using the 5 clips that are around the V-part wig and making sure the wig is in place. So the hair is very soft and very full, and I love that it reminds me of natural hair when it is in a blowout state. So here I'm just going to take out my leave out, which at this point I have blow dried. I was curious to see how well this would blend with my hair with just my hair being blown out. As you can see, it matches my natural hair very well. This hair will be perfect to do rod sets with, or braid out, or twist out. I'll definitely try these styles out in the future. For today though, I decided that I wanted to straighten the hair and see how my hair will blend. So for this style, I'm not really going for a bone straight look. My flat irons are around 325 degrees. These are some old Conair flat irons that I had for probably more than 10 years at this point. As you can see, I'm doing this in semi-large sections. Again, I'm not going for a very straight look with this style. So this is what the hair looks like once I finish straightening it. The hair is very soft and I really love the texture of it. I'm glad that I decided not to straighten it all the way because I really love the way that it's looking. So now it's time for me to do my leave out. As you can see, I did not leave much hair out at all. The great thing about the V-part wigs is that you don't really have to leave a lot of hair out to get a seamless look. So for my leave out, I'm only going to do 1 pass on my flat iron at about 350 degrees. Y'all, how natural does this look? As y'all know, I'm really into textured hair and textured extensions. I love using hair that closely resembles my own natural hair. I just personally feel that it looks better, and especially if you're going to do a leave out, it's better to get hair that closely resembles your own. This is probably the only hair texture I would use to straighten my own natural hair because I feel like it just blends so well. Of course, as a natural, it's hard to maintain straight hair for a long time, so this would definitely be a short-term style. But I think this hair in general will be great to do natural styles, including twist outs, braid outs, and flexi rod sets, and I will definitely be trying these out in the future. Let me know down in the comments what you think of this hair. And again, thanks to Julia Hair for sponsoring this video. If you are interested in purchasing this hair, I will have it linked down in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you guys next time.